Hello guys, how to fix a script error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And script errors mostly occur when the scripts does not execute properly in the backend, and it commonly occurs in web browser or in the programming software. It can also occur when the software or application you are using is unable to load the script and complete the validation and execution of the script. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to Windows search and type inetcpl.cpl. It will open Internet Properties Windows. Here go to the Advanced tab from the top menu bar and disable script debugging Internet Explorer and disable script debugging other. Both the options should be enabled. Thereafter scroll down and you will find the option use a smooth scrolling. Uncheck this box and finally click on apply and then OK button and check your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open your Chrome browser, click on three dots, choose settings. Here under privacy and security setting, go to clear browsing data and here choose all the options: browsing history, download history, and caches, images and files, cookies and other site data, and click on clear data. Thereafter go to on this page same, go to site settings, scroll down and under content setting you will find the option pop-ups and directs. Click on it and make the check against option site can send pop-ups and use redirects. Click on it and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the right click on the start button, choose settings and install Windows latest update. Go to Windows update and click on check for updates. If any updates available, simply download and install it.